Sound Show Radio _ sound _ show _ radio. H2. That's right. In the building. That's right. Shout out to Alchemist. That's right. Good afternoon. Only we say when we're done. Nobody else.
Every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio. You know how we do, so
that's right.
We have to come back, man. Take a couple weeks off. Take a listen there to something. We getting ready for more, man. DJ stuff, you know what I mean?
That's right.
After the globe, about to carry on. You know, that Malachi soul, that efficacy strong.
I'm a minute of the show song, and then we're going to move on and get started with the show, right?
Absolutely. Shout to Yes Speaker, shout to AKA Kill Red Sand 77, y'all. Right there, y'all. One for all for one, y'all. You know we do. Every Saturday, 2 to 3. You know what it is. We have the motherfucking biz. So hot up right here. Shout to Jim. That's right. That's absolutely.
The match fits like a back of fresh lemonade. They still couldn't phase us. How much shrapnel can your soul take? The vision wasn't shabby at an angle. Better facing the hallway.
That's right.
All the tasks for this one, right?
Absolutely.
Coordinated with the
Good
business
afternoon,
of
everybody,
war.
man.
Go half
It's
on
been
the
a couple weeks, but we back
Just
Sound Show
playing
Radio.
for
You already know.
Sound Show every Saturday right here. DTF Radio, y'all. From artists all over the world, y'all.
Yeah, once again, this is by Earl Sweatshirt, man. The journey's for the whole world. You already know it's Sound Show Radio, man. We started 2 to 3, right? So
Absolutely.
you know what we do, man. We are always displaying the hottest Indian mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. You know what I mean? That's a fact, man. Shout out to Earl Sweatshirt, man. You know what I mean? Shout out to Earl Feature Cam, you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
This is hot right here, man. Sound Show every Saturday, 2 to 3. You know what it is. It's how it is. You know what I mean? That's a fact. Yeah, that's a vibe right there, man. That's a fact, right?
Absolutely.
Get ready to get started, so you know what I mean?
Sound Show Radio Squad.
All music is displayed for promotional use only, right?
Promotional
You know what I
use
mean?
only, y'all.
Right, that's the declaration. All music displayed on our show.
So, all music displayed
our show is
on
for
Sound Show
promotional
Radio.
use only.
Promotional use only, y'all.
Any music displayed from independent artists or songs that I produce or songs from artists we're in direct contact with.
Absolutely.
Any mainstream music is played, the songs that are already on public domain, nothing is solicited in any way. We do own the rights to the show, right? So
That's correctly.
right,
That's
so
correct.
let's push through, man, and make a dope track list show real quick.
Let's
You
get
know
it.
what I mean? Welcome back, Sound Show Radio, you know what I mean?
That's right.
We said been a few weeks, you know what I mean? Life is life, but we always gotta come back and let people know we still here.
That's
You know
right.
what I mean? That's a fact. You know?
Only we say when we're done.
Right, only we decide when we're done or not, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
That's a fact. We still got a lot more to go though. Stay tuned for more Sound Show
Absolutely.
Radio. That's a fact, right?
That's right.
Shit, man. So much more, man. So much more
See
to
y'all
come,
for
man.
the show in a second.
That's a fact, man. That's a fact. We about to get into a
Peace.
dope record right now,
That's
B.
right.